Tired of old Jira plans cluttering your workspace? Learn how to delete any plan in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click, from opening Jira to confirming the deletion. Let's start. So first things first, you need to open your Jira account. Now this might seem obvious, but make sure you're logged into the right instance. If you manage multiple projects or teams, it's really easy to be in the wrong Jira site. So just go ahead and pull up your browser, head over to your Jira URL, and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with all your main tools. Go ahead and click on Plans. Now, if you don't see plans right away, you might need to click the main navigation menu icon to expand the sidebar. It's that little grid icon or the hamburger menu, depending on how your Jira is set up. But once you see plans, just click it. Now from here, you're going to see a list of your recent plans. But here's the thing. If you have a lot of plans, or if the one you want to delete isn't showing up right away, you need to click View All Plans. This is a common spot where people get stuck. They only see the recent ones and think they can't find their plan, but it's just a click away. So go ahead and click View All Plans. All right, now you should be looking at your complete list of plans. Take a moment to scan through them. This is where you choose the plan you want to delete. And I want you to be really careful here. Jira doesn't always make it obvious which plan is which at a glance, especially if you've got similar names. So double check that you're selecting the right one. The last thing you want is to accidentally nuke a plan that your team is actively working on. In my experience, it's worth pausing for just a second here to verify. Once you've found the right plan, look for 3 dots at the end of that row. These are your action options. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. Now, this is the critical moment. From that drop-down menu, you're going to click Move to Trash. Now, I want to be transparent with you. This doesn't permanently destroy the plan immediately. It moves it to the trash, which is like a safety net. If you accidentally do this, you can usually recover it within a certain time frame. But don't rely on that as a crutch. Treat this as the final step. After you click Move to Trash, a confirmation dialog will pop up. This is Jira's way of saying, are you really sure about this? You'll see a button that simply says Move. Go ahead and click it. And that's it. The plan is now in the trash. It's gone from your active workspace, and you can breathe a little easier knowing your Jira is clean and organized again. So to recap, you just need to open Jira, go to Plans, click View All Plans, pick the one you want, hit those 3 dots, choose Move to Trash, and confirm. The whole process really does take under 30 seconds once you know the path. No more clutter, no more confusion, just a clean workspace that makes sense. Thanks for sticking with me. Now, go ahead and clear out those old plans. You've got this.